Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, blind spot monitor, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. You are going to love the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio. Come see the car for yourself.